Analysis of abnormal noise in diesel generator sets and fault location. How to determine through sound whether a diesel generator set is experiencing any issue. Firstly, there is a strange noise once every time it rotates one full circle. It's usually related to the crankshaft, such as if there are faults with the piston rings, connecting rod bearings, etc. Secondly, the diesel generator makes a regular continuous noise. It's generally a fault in the rotating parts. If there is a continuous mucking sound, it often occurs in the timing gears, flywheels, and other parts. Thirdly, the diesel generator set is emitting irregular, intermittent noises. It's usually a fault in the engine accessories, such as generators, starters, air compressors, water pumps, etc. were not firmly installed, or internal rubbing and scraping. Fourth, the abnormal noise occurs once every 2 rotations. It's generally a fault in the parts related to the camshaft, such as valve, push rods, valve pitch rods, valve springs, and timing gears. When the engine is running, a rhythmic and crisp metal marking sound. Diesel generator. It is generally due to incorrect installation of the fuel injection timing gear. The fuel injection pump's oil outlet valve is severely worn, or improper adjustment of fuel supply term.